Struggling to get a traditional loan? Check out these non-traditional loan options. Number 1, bank statement loans. Perfect for self-employed people, and the bank will use deposits instead of tax returns. Number 2, investment property loans. These loans are solely based on property cash flow. Let your investment speak for itself. Number 3, fix and flip loans. Quick financing for property renovations and people that love fixer-uppers.
Number 4, foreign national loans. This is ideal for those people that live outside of the US but want to invest here in America. Number 5, down payment assistance programs. Look, right now there's a lot of down payment assistance programs available for everybody. The best part is you don't even need to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for a lot of this. And most of them are gonna give you even more than what you need just for the down payment, so they can even cover some of the closing costs. And number 6, the easiest one of all, the no income loans. That's right, you can actually get a house without showing any income as long as you have the right credit and you put enough of a down payment.
If you want more information on these loans, comment with the word options and I'll send you all your options.